Hello guys, today we're gonna teach you how to tune up your car with the Ktuner. This is the 1.2. First of all, you need your Ktuner. Second of all, you need a laptop running Windows. This is the procedure how to tune up your car. Take out your Ktuner out of the box, put your box away. This is the Honda Civic 2019 Honda Civic Si. The first thing you got to do is plug in your USB cable to the Ktuner. Plug it in, and then plug it into your ODB2 connector in the car, which is right, where is it? Right in here. Oh, sorry. So you have ODB2 connector. Then you gotta put your car in, not in accessory mode. You gotta hit it twice. 1, 2. Do not turn it on. Then you're gonna turn on your laptop, which I have it in sleep mode right now. And then you gotta open up the Ktuner, but first make sure you plug in your Ktuner to the USB port. Okay, so first step, connect your Ktuner to the car. Second, put in your car in not in accessory mode. Hit the start button twice without pressing on your brake, and then open Ktuner app, and then just let it load. Okay, after you get your Ktuner to load up, you're gonna go hit the plus button that says new file. Click on the plus button, and then you're gonna select your car right here. Click the plus to expand, and then click where it says factory, and then you're gonna hit next. And then here you're gonna select which tune you wanna set to your car. I usually do the starter dual factory. So starter factory is going to be, normal. And then if you put it on sport mode, it's going to give you 23 PSI. That's the one I like. So then you hit next. Just take a minute. Don't click anything else. And then after that, you can do quick enables, but you don't have to. Quick enables, you can do early spools. You can do the ramp up of the turbo. It's a bunch of options you have. You don't have to do those. So just to upload it, after you already did your changes, you're going to click the upload button, which is upload base code. What I usually do is I click upload, then you hit yes, and then you do flash now directly to the ECU. Or you could save it to slot 1. What I usually do, I save it to slot 1, and then I do flash now directly to the ECU. So this is how you do it. So after the flash is done on your car, you gotta read the instructions. It says, please key the vehicle off for a few seconds. So we're gonna key the vehicle off for a few seconds. Hit it once, and it's off. We're gonna give it 30 seconds. So just count to 30. So after you do 30 seconds, then you gotta put it back on, not in accessory mode. You gotta hit your engine start twice without pressing on the brake. So twice, 1, 2. And then it says wait a few seconds before hitting OK. So let's give it a few seconds. Give it 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then we hit OK. Flash successful. Click OK to continue. And you're done. You flash your car to a new tone.